Hi, I'm Ginny Fu, Product Manager of Qingzhou Water Machinery Co., Ltd. It is my pleasure to introduce to you the process of making concrete pipe by suspension roll mechanism. This is a working roll machine. When the suspension roll machine is running, it is forbidden to stand on both sides of the suspension roll machine to avoid being injured by the thrown stones. Using this machine to make concrete pipes can shorten the production cycle, reduce material waste, and do not pollute the environment. The noise generated during pipe making is low, about 80 to 90 decibels. If you need to purchase precast concrete machinery, please contact me. I'll be happy to serve you.